Sa pa sila mag-download dahil ang Pilipinas live ang UAAP.
Ganun ba?
1 minute and 30 seconds. Laman na isa UP.
Aba? Kaya pala masaya ka pa. 2015, it is Eastern by 5.
Good job defensively. Majority of the points of Barangay Ginebra actually nanggaling sa free throws dahil napakaagang nagkaroon ng penalty situation rito. At ito na, fast break attack. JB, a recipient of a great pass and finishing off with a slam dunk.
Perfect placing on the part of Scotty. JB pulls Ginebra back within 3. That's the 6-0 run para dito sa mga nakaputi. Chata, Ibet, bibigyan kay Blantley. They turn it over. Chapet with a steal as he jumped the gun on McLaughlin. Chapet looking to reward himself. McLaughlin.